Thank you very much, Suzanne. As I said in that video, I'm delighted to have received this certificate on behalf of the People in OD department in Public Health Wales. It really has been an honour to work with both yourself and Charles, Suzanne, to undertaking the work towards this cultural competence certificate. It involved examining our practices and identifying improvements across a number of different areas. And using the tool enabled us to take a structured approach and use it as a framework and make sure that we maximised opportunities to improve and make a difference. There was a lot of work involved, but it was positive and energising work. And some of the examples of what we did include setting up a network for Black, Asian and minority ethnic staff with agreed objectives, terms of reference and an executive sponsor. And that executive sponsor is Hugh George that you just saw on the video. Consulting with the network on strategic issues to build a more inclusive organisation, looking at staff survey results by ethnicity to identify the barriers and concerns in order to address them. Charles and Suzanne delivered some training on cultural competence for all of our HR staff so that they could really understand the lived experience and some of the sort of the issues that face some of our Black, Asian and minority ethnic staff in the workplace. We set up a mentoring programme, which was really successful, and that's still ongoing, and we get more members joining that each month, so it's building. Our chief executive and directors regularly put out messages to all staff to support racial awareness and inclusion, and get that the conversations going around these issues. We've celebrated and raised awareness using events such as Black History Month to actually get the message out there and invite speakers in so that people learn more. And we've reviewed our HR policies and job descriptions to make them more inclusive, and so that staff can really feel that they are valued and it involves everyone. And the impact's being seen with a number of our Black, Asian and minority ethnic staff joining the organisation, although there is still a lot more work to do to attract more people and to help them develop their careers within the organisation. The feedback from non-white staff has also been immensely helpful in bringing about change and making Public Health Wales a better place to work. It's also fantastic to see other colleagues learning and changing their practice as a result. I'm really excited about the next part of our journey, which is embedding and working with Charles and Suzanne to take it to the next step. Thank you.